This is the HK SP5. Got an empty power arm. We'll go through how to break this down. So you got a push pin here. This will take off the front handguard. Just push that through. Pull it all the way out. And the handguard just comes right off. You have another takedown pin, push pin here. This holds on the end cap or the brace or stock, whatever you would have here. Depress that through. Pull it out from the other side. I'm just going to hold on to the back because there is a little bit of spring tension there. That just pulls straight out. Then your whole end cap, brace, stock will come off from the back here. Your trigger group at this point will just pull right off. Take out your spring. Then your bolt carrier group. So to remove the bolt, just twist it clockwise. Come right out. Get your firing pin and spring here. Reassemble, we'll put that back in. Slides right over the firing pin. You'll see the protrusion right here that'll line up with this. So when you're putting this back on, you want to make sure that the roller bearings, are depressing those. Only go back on one way there. So you line that up, and while you're holding those bearings in, put it. Then you spin it counterclockwise. Lock back in. Bolt carrier group can go back in. The receiver. Spring will go back in. Trigger group back in. And while you're holding this, you can slide your end cap or brace back on. What you want to do is depress this in because there's still that spring tension while you're putting that roll pin back through. I'm going to do that off camera for a second. And you put that roll pin through either side. Got that back on. Then you have your front handguard here. This should put the fat end towards the receiver, slide it over it, back up. Same thing, you can put this pin back through on either side. And that's it. That's basic breakdown, reassembly, HK SP5.